Blendedbydee, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm doing another try on haul for JUST4KIRA. I am super excited. I had tried out their lenses before. I did a review for their lenses before. And I'm definitely excited. These contacts are super comfortable, super fashionable, super cute. And super realistic, okay? I absolutely love these contacts. I was wearing them on a daily basis when I went out, all that. So I am definitely excited for this second round of review. More colors, more styles. So we're just gonna jump right into this video. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to come and join the gang. All right, let's get into it. Y'all know I always start with the packaging, of course. This is what the container looks like, just regular black packaging. Comes in a box just like this. Inside the container, so of course here are the contacts here, and they're labeled with the kinds. And of course these are the clear cases that you put the contacts in when you're not wearing them. Okay. So we're just gonna jump right into this video. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I kind of want to do like a little lookbook on this on these contacts, but I'm also going to let you know how I feel in my opinion on these. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the first pair we're trying on is the Mirage SL29 gray. So this is what the package looks like. This is what the numbers look like, or what the description of them are, the color. And then they say 0 because I don't have prescription in these. You can get these prescribed. So if you have prescription and you want some color contacts, you can enter them in on this website and they will send them to you. And if you just want some fashionable contacts and you don't need any prescription, they got you as well, okay? So we're just gonna put these on. I'm excited. So these are what the gray ones look like. I absolutely love these. These are giving like, I'm gonna wear these out. I can wear these to take pictures. They're super comfortable. These are a little bit bigger in the diameter, like the size of the contact actually was a little bit bigger. But again, I do have small eyes, but these are what the gray ones look like. Love these. Okay, next up we have Asa or Asia. Okay, so these are the Asa or Asia. I absolutely love these, okay? Like, I can see me wearing these like on a daily basis type. They're super comfortable. They kind of give like a brownish hazel kind of thing, but they're not like super bright or anything. These are my natural eyes, like, period. Like, I absolutely love these. These are super cute. Okay. So next up we have Bloom Brown. All right, so this is the Bloom Brown. These are super cute. I love these. These give me more so like nighttime vibes, cat vibes. Like, these would be super pretty in a picture. Yeah, they're super comfortable. I love these. Moria green or Moria green. Okay, so here are the Moria green. These almost look like the last ones I had on, the Asia ones or Asa ones. These give more so brownish hazel than they do green to me. These are very distinctive. I do like these though. These are super cute. I'd wear them in the nighttime. They'll be super good for pictures. I like these. They're super comfortable too. Like, I really think when I wear, you know what I'm saying, color contacts, the number one important thing to me is comfortability, because you have to wear them all day. And of course, being that they don't have any prescription in them, and you know, if you're like one of the girlies, because you know the hot girlies had to get the contacts out the beauty supply store once before, so you know what comfortability I'm talking about. So these are super comfortable, like, you know what I'm saying, they're not irritating my eyes, especially as I'm changing them out and things. They're comfortable. Like, absolutely love these. Here, the next pair is Kyra Gray. The Kyra Gray. These are, first of all, my favorite that I've tried on so far. These actually probably are my favorite ones out of all of them that I've worn, technically. These are super cute for one. They look like they could be my natural eyes. I absolutely love how they give off this color, but they also go with the darkness. They're not super bright. They're comfortable. They give mammy, like spicy mammy. Like, I absolutely love these. Like, these are my favorite. that I've tried on so far, period. Like, JUST4KIRA eats with the contact lenses, period. Make sure you go shop with them. Use my code, I forgot, use my code Blended20 for a discount code. I'm gonna leave it right here so you guys won't forget. Blended20, use my discount code for money off your purchase. But yeah, these are my favorite so far. Okay. For the last pair, I have the Kyra Brown. Let's try those. Okay, y'all, and last but not least, we have the Kyra Brown. I absolutely love these. So the Kyra series, I love those. Like the Kyra Brown, the Kyra Gray. I need to try Kyra Green. That may even eat down if they got that. Kyra series, I absolutely love those. Those look the most realistic to me. They're super comfortable. Like, I'm gonna show out in these, okay? I can't wait to go out next so I can definitely hit the streets with these on. So y'all make sure y'all go shop for or with JUST4KIRA. Make sure you use my code Blended20 for money off your purchase. If you're into the contacts, listen, these are a hit. These are a winner. I swear by these. They're comfortable. They're affordable. They have prescription and non-prescription, so they're for everybody. So yes, make sure you guys go shop. Make sure you tell them Blended sent you. And yeah, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to come and join the gang and watch my videos. And yeah, we're gonna have a great 2024, y'all. I'm gonna be dropping these videos, so y'all make sure y'all tune in, and because I got some tea and some gems. And I'll see y'all in my next video.